Here we're going to explain how Google Classroom will use the Milk App API. The aim is to use a Google Classroom API to sync assignments set on Google Classroom with Milk App. Here is the auth consent screen that we created for this project using the Google API console. I'll now talk you through the details of the OAuth consent screen. The first, of course, is our app name, which is Milk App. Then there is our support email, our app logo, homepage link, application privacy policy link, application terms of service link, authorized domains, and the correspondence email address to provide more information on Milk App. Now we will walk through each and every scope that we have requested for Milk App. The first one is classroom.courses.read-only, which is used to read Google Classroom class details. The next is classroom.rosters.read-only, which is used to read roster details of classes. Then we have classroom.profile.emails, which is a sensitive scope and it's used to view the email addresses of students to whom assignments are assigned. Next we have classroom.coursework.students, which is used to view grade points to the student awarded by the teacher. Then we have classroom.studentsubmissions.studentsread-only, which is used to read coursework and achieve grade points set by the teacher of classes. Then we have classroom.studentsubmissions.me.read-only, which is used to view coursework and receive grade points of coursework. Then we have classroom.coursework.me, which is used to read coursework items including assignments of classes. And lastly, we have classroom.coursework.materials, which is used to view all classwork materials linked to classes. All of these scopes are saved on the Google API console. Now we will look at the Milk App functionality to demonstrate how it uses the Google Classroom API. So we are logged into the Milk portal using a teacher account, and here is the homework section, which is where the data from Google Classroom is imported. We have a button at the top here which says Sync from Google Classroom. So let's click on it. Here you can see my Google account client ID, which is 1067915710096. This is an unverified app screen, simply because our app is not verified yet. So we're going to bypass this process by clicking on Advanced. Then it will individually ask for permission to be allowed for each individual scope. So let's go through them and click Allow for each one. Again, here is the list of all the scopes that I have requested, and they are all ticked. So then we click Allow. So now Milk is enabled to import all the assignments that have been set in Google Classroom. For example, if you look at the first 3 assignments that we have listed here in the Milk App portal, and then we switch tabs to Google Classroom, we can see the top 3 assignments listed there are the exact same ones that have been imported through to Milk. And if we enter into one of the homework assignments, we can see a student there which has been imported from Google Classroom using the scopes. In this case, using the class list and the student email address, and also the feedback given by the teacher on the assignment in Google Classroom. All of that has been imported through to the Milk app.